Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your TECNO Spark 20 Pro heating while charging. So first, what we want to do is basically open up the settings. And before we change everything here, I'll tell you that it's normal if you're charging your device using fast charging. So if you're charging your device with a fast charger, then don't mind it being hot or heating. It's normal and it happens to all of us. So now what you guys can do is go to battery lab in the settings, and here go to battery saving settings and go to battery optimization. Here you guys can optimize your battery. As you guys can see, it's not available for this app. But as you guys can see here, we can basically optimize our battery use. Now, make sure to enable adaptive battery. And basically, what you guys can also do is use the original charger and a cable. If you don't have it, then that's okay. Just don't use the fast charger because it can make your phone overheat even more. And now what you guys can do is avoid using the phone while gaming. So basically, when you avoid your phone while charging, for example gaming, then it will not get as hot. So don't watch TikTok, don't watch YouTube, Instagram, everything. Just let it cool down and let it charge. Now what you guys can also do is remove the case to improve the heat dissipation, so your phone won't trap any heat inside the case, and charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area. So that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.